This is a 2010 Chrysler 300, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It has a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, satellite radio, chrome wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a premium sound system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, a brake assist system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. This Chrysler has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.